is for ant. A is for ant. B is for bee. B is for bee. C is for cricket. C is for cricket. D is for dragonfly. D is for dragonfly. E is for earwig. E is for earwig. F is for firefly. F is for firefly. G is for grasshopper. G is for grasshopper. H is for hornet. H is for hornet. I is for inchworm. I is for inchworm. J is for Junebug. J is for Junebug. K is for katydid. K is for katydid. L is for ladybug. L is for ladybug. M is for mosquito. M is for mosquito. N is for net-winged beetle. N is for net-winged beetle. O is for orb-weaver spider. O is for orb-weaver spider. P is for praying mantis. P is for praying mantis. Q is for queen ant. Q is for queen ant. R is for rhinoceros beetle. R is for rhinoceros beetle. S is for stick insect. T is for termite. T is for termite. U is for underwing moth. U is for underwing moth. V is for velvet ant. V is for velvet ant. V is for velvet ant. W is for warnet. H is for wasp. X is blue butterfly. X is blue butterfly. Y is for yellow jacket. Y is for yellow jacket. Z is for zebra, long-winged butterfly. Z is for zebra, long-winged butterfly.